Reform is a revolutionary and intuitive way of editing vector artwork shapes. Whatever artwork you're working on, this will massively speed up your process and ensure more consistent results. In this short series of tutorial videos, you will learn about the Reform tool in around 20 minutes. The traditional way to edit shapes is to painstakingly move individual points and Bezier handles one by one. This requires both skill and patience. With Reform, you simply and intuitively click and drag to sculpt any vector path. It brings playfulness and speed, allowing experiments in design to happen. Astute Graphics' groundbreaking technology means this is the first tool that allows designers to make the changes the way they want and how they want. The resultant paths are clean, with minimal points, placed exactly where professionals would put them. In addition to sculpting paths, Reform offers a looped mode which is ideal for working with rounded, closed shapes. Pulling and pushing the points along the shape, it's similar to moulding contours with clay. And when you're happy, you simply apply the changes and a completely standard path is presented, instantly keeping all the other attributes of the original. The magic of this tool can really be seen where, for the first time, editing outlined or expanded strokes isn't the stuff of nightmares for designers. What would have taken minutes for a single change in direction with two parallel paths can now be achieved in a few clicks, without the need for any special training. Please continue to watch these short videos and open the door to design freedom and creative potential as never seen before.